My name is Eleonora. I live in the UK and I am studying currently year 3 of Year of Knowledge.
MashaAllah. If you would describe the Year of Knowledge program with 3 words, what those words would be?
It's life-changing.
MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Do you feel like the Year of Knowledge has affected you in any way?
Yes. So the main points which has been affecting me is my relationship with Allah. I feel like more close to Him, and my relationship with people.
SubhanAllah. In which way your relationship with people has changed?
I think I've been becoming more patient, more like overlooking. I don't really focus on if I'm wrong or not wrong. I try to focus on my priority in life has changed in terms of I try to do things for Allah regardless how people perceive me.
SubhanAllah. If you would have one message for sisters who are maybe thinking about signing up for the Year of Knowledge program, what would that be?
If you want to build your pavement to Jannah, I think Year of Knowledge is the best starting point. It has been for me and it has really changed me. So I can't recommend it enough. You just have to live it and be there to realize what it is.
MashaAllah. Thank you very much, Sister Eleonora. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.